How's it going, lads? So this is it. We're officially on tour. Officially on tour. I couldn't be more keen about it, if I'm honest. We've got 5 days to get to Cairns. I'm meeting Tom in Cowra, and then we're going to regroup, and then we're going to punch through and see how far towards the border we can get. Hopefully we get somewhere close to Walgett, or you know, somewhere around that region. Anyway, we just leave Wagga. It's cold. Not gonna lie, it's cold. We had just ridiculous wind and rain and shit last night. So yeah, anyway, the sun's burning through those clouds now. With any luck, it'll warm up a little bit, but I'm going to enjoy the cold while it lasts, because I guarantee you this time next week, that's all I want, is cold weather. So the grind continues. So the prologue, we're calling this. We call this the prologue. This is phase 1. Get to Cairns. Here he is. Yeah, good. How's it going, mate?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Fucking made it.
We're here. Who would have thought, eh?
Yeah.
The ride to Cowra was bloody freezing. It'd be top 3 coldest rides I've ever done. Rightio, we've made it to the Canamble, and just checked in. So all in one piece, ×2, and so that's 591 kilometres for today. So yeah, we'll get a room and chill out and kick it tomorrow. So happy days, eh?
Day 2, eh? Heading off to Roma. Rome dogs. 580 k's, I think it is. Bike's full of ice. She was a fresh one last night. Hey, let's hit it. Coonamble. See you later, bruh.
So after battling through a freezing morning, we thought we'd stop in and see what was going on at Lightning Ridge.
Oh, check that out. What is it? Welcome to Lightning Ridge. Looks like a cement. Yeah, I don't know. 5 k's down the road to bloody Lightning Ridge. We'll go suss it out first time.
Where are we, Tom?
Lightning Ridge.
And where are we at?
We're at
We're at the market.
Sunday market. Getting an egg and bacon roll.
Yeah, I'll start next week.
Yes.
Onion on these?
Yes, please.
Want onion? Yeah, get onion.
Black Opal Country. We made it to Queensland. This is the CRF's first time in Queensland, because when we did the desert, we weren't able to actually make it into Queensland because the desert was closed. So yeah, this is the first time in the sunny state. So yeah, another state ticked off, and let's see what it has in store for us.
Pit stop, pies, and coffee.
Cappuccinos.
Cappuccino. How good.
Alright, we're going to check out this dam, eh? Visitors Lookout. Can Can you drive up there? What if you go straight and fucking go up that little ramp thing up there? Oh wow, look at that. Look at the gates on it. Wow.
Constructed in 1972, the EJ Beardmore Dam primarily serves to store roughly 82,000 megalitres of water for both irrigation and urban purposes. The resulting reservoir, known as Lake Kajarrabi, doesn't permit boating or camping activities. However, the dam's 2.5 kilometre wall is pretty impressive. After taking in the sights of the local infrastructure, we continued to march towards Roma. Roughly 80 k's out though, a loose rear wheel bearing retainer nut could have spelt disaster for my trip, ending it right then and there.
A bit of a small issue here. The bloody wheel bearing carrier, castle nut, has come out. So I'm gonna have to try and put that back in. Oh, the fucking wheel's still on there, dude. Oh, it's fucking insane.
Look how loose it is.
Yeah, it's fucked. Don't fuck the thread, but oh, actually, I wonder if it's fucking. Yeah. Anyway, I'll do it back up. See what.
So what
I might have got away with this. Hope. All right. So managed to get it back in. I have the tool for that at home, but didn't bring it, and I don't know why. Because I thought, yeah, I don't know why I didn't do that, but the threads are okay, so I just screwed it back in. It's not Loctited in there or very tight, but hopefully it'll last 100 k's until I can get to Roma. And yeah, we'll keep going.
Rightio, so we're back on the road. Just managed to get the castle nut done up as tight as I can without the tool. I don't think it's going to be a major problem to fix. I'll take it into, there's a Honda dealer in Roma. They open at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, so I might just take it in there tomorrow morning and get them to just borrow their tool just to tighten it up. Put a bit of Loctite on there and yeah, fingers crossed we don't have any more dramas. I nearly put the tool in, man. I nearly put the tool in, but I thought, why would I need to do the rear wheel bearings when I'm away? They're brand new, you know, so that's why I didn't do it. So lesson learned, when you feel like you should bring a tool, you should try and bring it rather than leaving it at home. But anyway, we've only got 60 k's to go, so we're not making too bad time. We probably lost maybe half an hour just sorting that out, but you know, it is what it is, and we'll keep on pushing on. That's what it's about: adapt, overcome, succeed. Anyway, hopefully Donaldson's waiting for us with a cold beer, because I tell you what, I'll love a cold beer right now. Oh, he's got the beers already. How good. What a day. 630 k's. Oh. Fucking hell. How you going, mate? Alright, what's happening?
Smashed by the dogs as well.
Yeah. Yep. Righto.
Station.
Here at the dealer. Getting a bit of maintenance done. Back wheels off. We're going in. So, we'll have a bit of a look at it. That one there. Yeah, so it's just that one in there, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Just going there. So, with any luck, it's still okay. You're just ready to fuck toolbox. What's it like riding a DR, mate? You don't have to worry about this.
I don't have to do anything, I'll just hang around. It's a DZ400 in a crate over there, which is pretty sick.
Oh, fuck yeah. A new one?
See a Rev 250 behind us.
Made a right bloody mess of this oil change.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Look at it. Fucking just dumped it out of that hole into here. And instead of coming out of the hole, it went into the bash plate. It just fucking ran out all these holes everywhere. Fucking went everywhere except in the fucking container.
At least your chain will be lubed.
Yeah, well, well, that's right. I tightened the chain up.
Oh, nice.
This has been Loctited and cleaned up. It's been tightened up. I think we should be fucking right to go. Oh yeah, just spray it. I'll spray it. Do you want me to just move the cardboard or just drag it all out, you mean? Fuck. Look at it.
The guys at D&M Motorcycles, I think it is. I've got a sticker on their bike. So, D&R's Motorcycles. Absolute freaking legends, man. They are, you know, just great people. But big thanks for them for keeping the trip on track. We're probably only an hour behind schedule, maybe like an hour and a half to what we're normally be doing. But yeah, overall, super stoked to be back on the road. Fresh oil, that'll get me to Cairns, and then I'll sort it out again.
Heading up the Carnarvon Highway, we decided we'd stop into Carnarvon Gorge. The whole area around this part of Queensland is pretty crazy. It's like a whole new biome that feels like it shouldn't even be there.
It's insane how the terrain has just changed from like when we come into Roma. It was like pretty flat and like sort of how you'd like almost back home. And then it's come into this, like not even, you know, 150 k's down the road, you know, it's crazy. Oh, this is the memorial. Yeah, cool. This is like an old bomber. Check out the wing, dude.
Re1 Remount Station. Yeah. It's been here somewhere. Check this. Check out the bloody fuselage. It's been just ripped apart, hey? Yeah. So what, did it crash here? That's hectic.
These mountains look absolutely epic. How good is it? I can't wait to get in there and actually see what it's all about. Looks like it's raining over in the over there. So I don't know, hopefully we don't get too wet.
Carnarvon Gorge. These fucking Modi boots. Come on, Tom. How grippy is it?
Oh, that's pretty good. Too bad.
Tech 10s are the ultimate hiking shoes.
Yeah.
Everyone knows that. Carnarvon Gorge. We had no idea what we were getting into, so we just didn't even get changed out of our Modi gear, so we're just going to go for a bit of a wander and see what it's like. It's also pissing down. It's also raining. Pretty deep gorge. G'day. Oh.
Yeah, always.
Look at it up there. It goes freaking high. All the ferns and shit.
When visiting the gorge, I'd recommend spending a day here with hiking gear to really see what it's all about, because it's pretty tough stomping around in Modi boots all day. There's a caravan park at the gorge as well, which looks pretty sweet, but we were continuing through to Emerald for the night.
That is epic.
Coming out of Springsure is Virgin Rock. Definitely worth a look because it's bloody massive. Hitting Emerald would have put the Odo at nearly 500 k's for the day, so a perfect place to pull up stumps and finish up day 3.
Rightio, we're on a bit of gravel heading to Mount Coolong, and we just had a bit of a look at the maps and found this sort of back way to there. Gets us off the highway for a little bit. But yeah, good to get a bit of red dirt under the tyres. Yeah, day 3 we're going to try and get to Townsville, so it'll be a big day. I think if we make it to Townsville that'll be about 600 kilometres, so yeah, definitely going to be punching out some K's today, but hopefully these gravel roads mix it up a little bit, you know what I mean? Mount Coolong Roadhouse. So, just got some fuel. Check the bags. I was just checking my chain and I lost
the master link. So I carry spares because they always seem to come off, so I've put another one of them on. And now we're going to Burdekin Dam, 100 k's, and then we'll head towards Townsville. But this dam's meant to be pretty fucking hectic, so I'm pretty keen to suss it out.
Burdekin Falls Dam is a massive concrete gravity dam, creating Queensland's largest water storage, Lake Dalrymple. Recognised on the Q150 list, it stands as one of the state's great structural and engineering icons.
This is incredible. It's just insane to think. Like, the volume of water that's holding back is out bloody rageous. What more do you want?
After taking in the over 1.8 million megalitre Burdekin Falls Dam, we were pretty pumped and ripped our way into Townsville for the night.
Righto, day 5. We're headed to Cairns, the final leg. We've got 355 odd k's to go. We're just coming out of Townsville, and we catch up with Hicks the Savo. I didn't think we'd make Townsville yesterday. Honestly, I thought there'd be some fucking thing that came up that meant we'd be stuck somewhere else. But yeah, good to punch on through to Townsville. Had a pretty good night's sleep. So yeah, today's a nice day. It's like, yeah, like I said, only 350 odd k's, so it's like half of what we normally been doing.
Mission Beach was on the way. None of us had ever been there before, so we stopped in for a look at the beach and some fish and chips for lunch. Now it's time to battle with some traffic after nearly 2,700 k's of highway riding, but to finally make it to Cairns felt like an achievement in itself. Time to catch up with Hicks and hang up the boots for a day.
Righto, bike service day. Just in me fucking shorts, because we're dropping the bikes off for new tyres, doing oil change, and that's about it really. So yeah, made it to Cairns in one piece. Pretty stoked, to be fair. Like, honestly, I just can't believe we made it this far, you know what I mean? Like 2,700 k's. It's just unreal, you know. Man, the maps take you on the most rogue way. Wayne Leonard, absolute legends there if you're ever stopping in or looking for somewhere. They gave us a sweet new track to get to the Creb track. Instead of cruising up the highway, there's a little Black Mountain Road, so we might try that out to see how the boys are feeling. Anyway, happy days. Oh yeah. You look like you've just come straight off a station.